Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log into Chase Bank online. So to do this you have to just go to Google and here you have to just write Chase and here you'll get this official website link here, right? If you don't get it then you can just write chase.com and you will surely get it. Now once you're here, this is official website, you will get this option of open account and everything, right? So to log in into your account, you have to go and check on the top left side corner whether you want to log in into your personal account, business account, or whether it's for the commercial. Right, so here I just want to log in into my personal account, right? So let's go back here and I will just go and select your personal, right? And once I'm here, you will get this option of login. So you have to enter your username and password. And if you want to that remember this website should remember you, you don't want to add again and again username. So just go and click on remember and click on sign in. So you will be able to log in into your account, right? So this is really easy thing to do. If you want to log in into your business or commercial account, you can do the same thing. I'll just go to business here and here on the top right you will get this option of sign in. So let's just go and click on sign in, enter your username and password, and that's it. You will be able to log in into your account. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.